Great job. Beautiful.
So we have our sourdough bread mixed, and we're going to leave it for at least a couple of hours. In the meantime, let's talk starters. Our starters just met today for the first time. This is Peggy, and yours is
Fluffy.
Fluffy. I love that. It's part of the culture to name your sourdough starter. It's a very common thing when people start geeking out on sourdough. Okay, so tell me about how to raise Peggy and Fluffy right.
Well, I would say, you know, experiment with it. I think, you know, what we should do with our kids is like, you know, try and show them the world a little bit and give them different taste of life, you know, so different flours. So I usually keep mine pretty much white wheat, all-purpose classic flour.
Right.
I see that Peggy is being whole wheat intensive. So I think that's great.
Yeah.
But maybe at one point you want to switch to a different flour.
I think it's important to not overthink it, right? Like, don't panic, don't hover over it, feed it when it needs to get fed, and then just let it be. Let it do its thing.
No, totally.
Okay.
This is gorgeous, Stacey.
We did it!
First sourdough bread. Is it ready? Can you tap it?
Oh yeah. Another tap.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Hollow sound.
All right.
Yeah.
You're the pro. All right, we're gonna cut in. Oh, she's crunchy.